Hi everyone, today we are going to cook jackfruit curry. For that I am using dried jackfruit. We need these ingredients to cook this curry. Add jackfruit into the boiling water. Add some turmeric powder, curry powder, add some chili powder, salt, pepper, mix it well, let it cook. Now it's cooked well. Curry leaves, green chili, cinnamon, mix little bit, add coconut milk and mix it well. Let it boil. After a few minutes, the curry is ready now. Now we are going to fry these items. Add some oil. Add onion, curry leaves, cinnamon, garlic and green chili. Let it fry for some time. Add some red chili and cumin seeds. Now it's fried, we will mix into the curry. Now curry is ready. Thanks for watching my video.